Okay, so here we are in our React app. Last time we said that our API call was not working properly, so I just thought that this did need to reset it, but I was wrong, because you can see we are making in the documentation API call where we'll see that in a second. We are authenticating the request. Okay, so instead of making the calls from here, okay, instead of making the calls from here, we are going to make the call from here. Okay, so you have to just click on the back to home, and then you have to copy everything from here. Okay, copy that and just paste here, and yeah, you can see it's business here, so I should give this a Tesla. Okay, should give this topic. We are going to use this variable in here in the cursors, and you can change anything in here, and the API call will change into that category news. So save this, and you can see all the news are showing, so it's a lot. So we should not make this big, so we have to go in the documentation, and we have to okay, we have to see the API doc. Okay, click over the doc, top heading, category source, and the page size, and we also has the page, so we should use this page size, that it's 20 the default and 100 is the maximum. Okay, or else we can use something called slice, and we have to just come here and use this slice method to show only 6 news in our app. So if I refresh this, you should see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 or 6 news are showing. Okay, so what left is let's go to our app.css, and we should make some new CSS changes in here. Okay, paste that, and type justify content center, display should be flex, background color should give this, okay, give this either, and copy the second one. Okay, we should delete to, we don't need the env file. Rating should be 25. pixel. Let's save this and see. Yeah, it's looking good, I think. Okay, we should align the peak. Okay, so we need some margin in the top. It's 10 pixel. The margin bottom should be 20 pixel, and this news image should have, okay, we have to see what I have. Okay, this is the news image, so we should define some CSS here. So it should be center, and the width should be, let's say, 300 pixel. Okay, save this all and let's see. Okay, it looks cool, but we should give some less width. We should give this 40 clicks. Okay, click save and let's see. Okay, it fits awesomely. Okay, so if I click over this, and we should get to that new space. So yeah, that's it guys. So we have successfully made our news application with just API call in here. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for making such a project with me. So I hope I will see you in the next video. Stay subscribed and stay well. I will see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.